Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So, finally, the biggest news and biggest update is here. Samsung has finally started rolling out One UI 7 Beta 4 for Samsung S24 series. In this video, I will tell you what new has been added and what has been fixed in this update. Let me show you the details. The update size is around 1418 MB. Okay, you can see the build number and all. One UI 7.0 Android 15. Now let me tell you what new has been added and what has been fixed. And this update is for S24, S24 Plus and S24 Ultra. Currently, this update is only rolled out in Korea and Indian users. So these are the list of new features which has been added in this update and a bugs fix list. Okay, Samsung has added a new AI filter in camera. Samsung has also added a log video format in S24 Ultra only, not for S24 and S24 Plus. And Samsung has fixed UI error of lock screen and AOD, fix quick panel UI error, fix grouping alarm error, and fix the problem of stuttering when releasing the fingerprint reader, fix the problem of top bar disappearing from home screen, modify the animation that was unnatural when opening and closing the app recently, fix the problem of there being a gap in the status bar after installing Good Lock Quick Start, and many other improvements. Mostly this update is about bug fix. Okay, and there are not big new features which has been added in this update, but a lot of people who has already installed the One UI 7 Beta 3, they are like complaining about the bugs. So Samsung has fixed a lot of bugs in this update. So we are close to official update now. Till now there is no confirmation that when will other phones will receive official update. So this is the One UI 7 Beta 4 for Samsung S24 users. So there are rumors that Samsung will also roll out One UI 7 Beta 5 and 6 also. Let's wish this One UI 7 Beta 4 is the last beta and there will be no Beta 5 and 6. So other phones like S23, S22, S21 users will get One UI 7 official update sooner. So let's hope for the best. This One UI 7 Beta 4 is the last beta. Please Samsung, no more betas. Just give the official update to other phones. Alright guys, Samsung S24 series has started receiving One UI 7 Beta 4. Thank you very much for watching guys. Have a great day. If you have any questions, just comment below. And please, if you have Samsung phones, please subscribe to my channel and support your brother. Have a great day. Bye.